Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. These are some eye bolts for wood. They have the lag type screws and they are, let's see, 23/64 wire. What is that? Like about quarter, let's see, 32, 1232, 6/16, 3/8. Okay, it's about 3/8 wire, and the size of the hole. Let me give you that. Inch. Okay, about 3/4 of an inch, about an inch and a quarter overall. Anyway, they're big. Long story short, I am going to be pulling the heads out of this C6 Corvette, and in case I need a little lifting capability, I'm going to screw those eye bolts into the ceiling studs. Now, before you get all worked up, the heads only weigh about 25 pounds a piece, and those are either 2x4s or 2x6s. I think they might be 2x6s up in the ceiling. So I know these are not lifting eyes, but we're not putting any excessive strain on it at all. And I just want to have them up there in case I need them. I might be able to just lift the heads out, but I might not. So the engine's going to be about yay right there. So you might be able to see from the shadows where the rafters run. I can see it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. And I'm just going to put them about maybe 8 inches apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 8 of them up there. So I'll have different places that I can drop down or block and tackle if I need it. Okay, let's get up there. And when I say block and tackle, I mean a little block and tackle. I want you to notice how long the threaded part is, because I know this much is going to be just drywall, which gives you no support at all, but I've got over 1.25 inches that will go into the wood. Okay, let's drill some holes. I marked some spots and then screw them in. Okay, so there's 2 of them in there. So they're in studs. So I put my weight on each one of them, and I weigh almost 200 pounds. So they're very, very, very solid. I'm going to put about 2 more, maybe 4 more up there. And you get the idea. If I need to lift something straight up out of the engine bay, which is going to be right about down there, now I've got something I can lift with and not break my back. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe, have fun. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Froggy out. Bye-bye. So one thing I need to show you is how to use this stud finder. So I'll put a link to it. You just press the button, that, and move it across the ceiling or the wall. And when it does that, it means you found one edge of the stud, and then you want to find the other edge of the stud, and then you go in the middle. So what I'm going to do now is I've got 4 points there, 4 lifting points, and I can go in between them that way. I can even go diagonal, and I'm going to take 2 black pipes. Sorry, I'm out of frame. 2 black pipes inside of each other like that, and I'm going to have some swivels here, so I don't have to turn these eyes. I'll have a swivel here, so I can go this way, I can go that way, I can go that way, and I can put my block and tackle across this. Now, before you get all upset I'm only lifting about 50 to 100 pounds max, and this will probably lift 400 or 500. between these studs and the black pipes. So this is not for pulling an engine, but just, whoops, just for the heads in case I need it. Okay, Froggy out, bye-bye.